seeing it in the papers, does it look as good in real life?
Hey, we're trying to find a home for the elephants actually. So if any of you have a big garden or any suggestions, you can possibly send them over to us. We're trying to find a home for the elephants. So after the tour, after tonight, the elephant needs a home. Thank you.
We're going to kill it. Hey, listen, never mind the elephant circus performers. Let's get down to it. What about Jay's trousers, everybody? Come on. Look at that one. Look at that. I tell you what, isn't it unbelievable what you can get at Marks and Spencer's these days, eh? Look at it.
It's got underpants to match, you know.
Say something before you say your little bit. I just want to say this is the last day of our tour. But you know, you might think that we want to get it over and done with, but we don't. We're very emotional on the last day, and we just want to say we cannot wait to tour again. And thank you very much. We love it. It's true to say, if I could just add on to how we're going to get sloppy tonight because it is the last night. Bear with us. When those balloons go up at the start,